You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals.
Mobius Corps built a battle station on this platform, and we're gonna have to dismantle it sector by sector. I loaded these trucks with Zelnaga artifacts that'll scramble their setup. Get them in place before it's too late. Bring your truck full of artifacts to this construct, and it'll shut down, I promise. You'll find this sector just to the north of your position.
Activating a drone. This should hook us up with some extra gas.
Shadow Guard available.
Well done. Construct's down.
These foes are Terrans.
Activating laser drill. 174 gigawatts. Ready.
Now for the other truck. Hurry up before it goes up in flames.
I am the blade.
The enemy's attack will be upon us soon.
I am but a phantom.
Happy to say we only have 3 sectors left. 2 spare trucks have been prepped for you. Focus on getting the trucks to the sector west of here.
Battle is upon us. Fear is an illusion.
Mobius Corps knows we're here, and they're transferring the weapons data from the outposts on this battle station. If you have a chance, steer your truck that way. It'll corrupt the data and stop it from ever being used elsewhere.
Our pylon is under it. Shadow Guard.
Our foes are headed for us. Be ready to defend.
Your allies are in battle.
You did it. Construct's just rubble now.
Your allies' base is besieged.
Looks like Amon's minions have found your truck's location. Expect an attack soon.
Service.
My team scrapped together some new trucks.
Under attack. Your allies are in battle. Your probes are under attack. Your allies are in battle. Your allies' base is besieged. Your allies are in battle. Research complete.
You seek.
The enemy is targeting your truck's coordinates. Keep an eye out. A Mobius research outpost is almost finished uploading its data.
Enemies approaching fast. Man, they look mad.
Shadow Guard available.
I bask.
Your allies' base is besieged. Base is under attack. Your allies are in battle.
From the shadows I come.
You require more Vespine gas.
Fear is an illusion. You seek ours.
You require more Vespine gas.
Just peachy. Got a wave of enemies gunning for us.
Your allies are in battle. Your allies
Good work. It's one less construct to deal with. That's one truck down. We didn't make it to the research outpost, but they stopped broadcasting anyway. Wonder why. Move out of the blast radius, quickly! Demolition complete. And we've delayed them from activating the battle station's weapons.
We have done well, but do not grow overconfident.
Both of your trucks have arrived. This is the next sector. I can't wait to see it go up in flames. These research outposts are transferring their data so they can build additional weapons elsewhere. If you have time to escort your truck to them, it'll disrupt the connection. Consider it a target of opportunity.
Your allies are in battle. Our pylon is under attack.
Both of your trucks have arrived.
Shadows I come.
Bad news, Commanders. An attack wave is coming for your truck.
seek our service. Here is an illusion. I am
Your allies are in battle.
what you ask of us.
Enemies coming for our base. Thought you might want to know.
We seek our service. By the void.
You require more Vespine gas.
From the shadows.
Bad news, Commanders. An attack wave is coming for your truck.
Your allies are in battle. Shadow Guard ready for deployment.
Comply. Harazim. Clever. I bask in the twilight.
Your allies are in battle. Base is besieged.
Battle is upon
Our
us.
pylon is under attack.
Well done. Construct's down.
Here is an illusion. Battle is upon us. I bask in the twilight.
Your allies are in battle. You require more Vespine gas.
From the shadow.
Your allies are in battle.
The enemy's targeting your truck's coordinates. Keep an eye out. Mobius has almost finished sending out their research data. Stop him if you can.
The enemy moves against our base. Show them the folly of their ways.
You require more Vespine gas.
From the shadows I come.
Your allies are in battle. Your allies are in
Battle
battle.
is upon us.
Pylon is under attack. Your allies Shadow Guard available. Your probes are under attack. Your allies are in battle. Allies' base is besieged.
Many of my warriors have perished.
Base is under attack. Your allies require more Vespine gas.
From the shadows.
Your allies are in battle.
Good work. That's one less construct to deal with. First truck's in place. Get to safety. It's about to blow.
You require more Vespine gas.
From the shadows.
Hang in there. Just one sector left. 2 spare trucks have been prepped for you. This sector is south of your current base of operations.
You require more Vespine gas.
From the shadows I come.
Your allies are in base is besieged.
Enemy attack. Inbound on our base, buddy.
Your allies are in battle.
Research outposts seem to have had trouble getting a signal after all. Crisis averted.
Battle is upon us. Nasperu Unada.
You require more Vespine gas.
From the shadows I come.
Looks like Amon's minions have found your truck's location. Expect an attack soon.
Shadow
Team strapped together some new trucks.
Your allies are in battle.
What would you ask of us?
The enemy's targeting your truck's coordinates. Keep an eye out.
You require more Vespine gas. Your allies are
From
in
the
battle.
shadows I come.
Both your trucks have arrived.
Your allies are in battle. You require more Vespine gas.
From the shadows I come.
Looks like Amon's minions have found your truck's location. Expect an attack soon.
You require more Vespine gas.
I will.
Got some bad guys coming after our base.
Nasperu.
Your allies are in battle. Base allies
Is upon us.
Shadow Guard ready.
You did it. Construct's just rubble now.
Battle is upon us.
Allies base is besieged. Your allies are in require more Vespine gas.
From the shadows I come.
You did it. Construct's just rubble now.
Your allies are in battle. Your allies base is besieged.
Now for the other truck.
Your allies are in battle.
Battle is upon us.
Mobius Corps is gonna regret this day. Couldn't have done it without you, commanders.